All right, guys, hopefully you can see me. Hopefully you can. So right here, I'm talking about the Teflon ring that I had a big problem with. The one that they give you in the kit is pretty big, and you can't fit it into, you can see, you can't fit it into here. So it gets blocked. So what I did is I'm gonna show you guys how to put a hose strap. All you need is this, and you can put this over and let it sit overnight, and that's gonna be the best way. Also for this one, I did this similar with these Teflon rings, but instead of I used 2 hose clamps, and I used a soda can that I cut, and I just kind of wrapped it around it. Sorry. I wrapped it around this one like that. You guys can see. And then I just put hose clamps over it. I just use these ones. Went over, tighten them up, leave them overnight. I went through 3 rings because I was messing with them, trying to fix them, and that's the best way to do it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Hopefully I'm in screen. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. All right, so you have your piston right here. Obviously this is where the bearings go in, and then you have this that goes here eventually. So what you're gonna do for this is the hardest part of this whole rebuild, okay? Which it took me forever. So just grab one of these, loosen it up a little bit, go ahead, put it over, making sure that it's right over there. And I just have a drill with a bit on it. So right here, I'm just gonna tighten this up, move a little bit, making sure it's right in the right spot. Just like that. And then what I did is I did tighten it a little bit more. I just got a vice grip. Obviously you can use whatever you want, but this one like this, just did a little tighter. Okay, let this sit. As you can see right here, these are it's just compressing it right over there. Okay, once again, this is the hardest part that I had. Once you do this, you should be able to slide in, and we'll go ahead and put the BBs and everything in, okay, or the bearings.